All right, so to autoclave the Pure Sculpt, number one, you never throw the whole Pure Sculpt in. You know that, I know that. Just make sure everyone knows that. But what you do is you take out this piece and this piece. And here's something else real important. When you're pulling out this, don't yank on the cord sideways. These are made so you can grab these right here, pull them out straight. And you see you got red dot to red dot, okay? And they won't wear off like other companies. They'll wear off, you put them in and you screw up the pins. So red dot to red dot. Then before you autoclave, you take this cap and you cover the end like that. Okay, this cap, you cover the end like this, okay? Then, when you autoclave the handle, and by the way, you know that Pure Sculpt is the only company that has an all stainless steel cannula. Big plus, all stainless steel, no plastic. Made in America. You basically take this, take this off here. Take this piece here, slide it in, that's in. Then you take this piece over the end like that. Okay? Then you go ahead and put it in the sterilizer. And you want to sterilize it using a regular cycle, and that's going to be about 28-30 minutes. Don't flash these, don't flash Microaire, don't flash any of the hand pieces because you're going to ruin them. You'll cut the life expectancy in half. And when you flash some, that means the autoclave's already really hot, and you throw them in to flash them in 15 minutes. It just doesn't do well with the hand pieces. The best idea, if you want them to last the longest, you buy a gas sterilizer and put all your hand pieces in a gas sterilizer. That way you get away from all the heat, which over time will destroy any hand piece. So that's the way to do the service on the Pure Sculpt. And once again, don't yank on the cords, pull from the black piece here, and then make sure these are covered before you autoclave. And then you'll have a really good life expectancy of your hand piece. Okay? Call the Doctor's Toy Store if you have any more questions on your power assisted lipos.